Hello everyone, it's Viking 1, and this looks like it's a Buick, probably from the 1930s or 40s. I can't say for sure, I never seen one like this. But I'm Carspotting here in southern Utah, Viking 1. Sometimes you run into some really awesome cars in this area. And this is a classic, vintage. In the back it says Buick 8. So I'm assuming it's an 8-cylinder, and I'll show you the back of this car shortly. I don't like getting the license plates, so I'll be right above the license plate. Buick 8. And here's the tail lights. It looks like the trunk. I don't know if this is rumble seats. I don't think it's rumble seats. But this is an old vintage automobile. Trying to get rid of that glare. Awesome. Here's an antenna. A lot of glare. I'll try to, I don't know if that helps my hat. Anyways, it's kind of hard to see the interior. I'm not even going to touch this vehicle, but it is definitely old. And I don't think that was just a trunk. I don't think it has rumble seats. But boy, what a beauty. Just look at those fenders. This is something Al Capone would ride in, and some of the gangsters, the 1920s gangsters. So it's a special Buick 8-cylinder special. There's the hood ornament, and one last view from the front. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Viking 1, have a good day.